인간 소녀가 수왕의 아이를 임신했다는 이유만으로 태우는 하인들에게 속경석고를 부어 소녀를 조각상으로 만들어 버리라고 명령했다. 그리고 마지막에는 하인들과 함께 그 조각상을 절벽 아래로 밀어 떨어뜨렸다. 하지만 태우는 알지 못했다. 소녀가 죽지 않았다는 사실을. 이후 태우는 소녀가 중병에 걸려 이미 세상을 떠났다고 거짓말했다. 유품으로는 비녀 하나만 남겨두었다. 수왕은 이 소식을 듣고 비통함에 휩싸였고 심지어 그 자리에서 피를 토했다. 눈 깜짝할 사이에 7년이 흘렀다. 소녀는 아들과 딸 한 쌍을 낳았다. 하지만 당시 절벽에서 떨어진 후유증 때문에 그녀의 두 눈은 점점 시력을 잃어갔고 몸도 날이 갈수록 쇠약해졌다. 어머니를 치료하기 위해 철든 두 아이는 어머니가 손수 엮은 부적을 들고 거리로 나가 팔기 시작했다. 어머니의 병을 고칠 돈을 벌고 싶었기 때문이다. 하지만 뜻밖에도 그들은 우연히 자신의 친아버지와 마주치게 되는데
My lord, please, take a look.
My mom's handmade, just one low-grade crystal.
Darius, this one's for you.
What's this pattern?
Twin black dragons. See? Twain together. Just like us. Never apart.
My lord doesn't need low-grade amulets. Try someone else.
Wait. I'll take all of them. Is that enough?
High-grade crystals. Yes! Yes! Thank you, my lord!
Thank you, my lord.
Your Majesty, you already carry top-tier amulets. Why buy these? They barely have any magic.
They're just children, out here hustling. Half-breeds. Must no one treat them well. They've had it rough. And this totem, twin dragon pattern. Most of human amulets have this pattern. But Jane's gone. There's no way she made these. Nothing. Let's go.
My lord, your hairpin! Zane, Mom said we can't take what's not ours.
Mom's really sick. Even if we sell everything, we won't get 5 high-grade crystals. We pawn this, we get the crystals, we save her. Once she's better, I'll go into the dark forest and hunt beasts. I'll earn this hairpin back and return it to him. I swear!
I'll redeem it once I have the money.
Come again next time.
Stay here, okay?
This is a pawn shop. Get out, you beggars. Don't mess up my floor.
I'm not begging! How much for this? Dragon bone hairbin.
High-grade dragon aura. Dragon clan's royalty. Where'd you get this?
Just tell me the price.
A slum rat like you with a royal item? You better explain, or I won't take it, and I'll cut your hand off.
My mother gave it to me!
My lord, the hairpin. That brat has it.
Your mother gave you that?
I
I knew it! You lying little half-breed! My lord, this little thief must have stole it from you.
That hairpin is the only thing my beloved left behind. Hand it over now, before I lose my patience.
I didn't steal it! I found it!
Found it and kept it? Didn't even try to return it? Tell me, how's that not stealing? You seem bright, but you're acting fool. No one ever taught you better?
Of course I know!
Then give it back.
I can't!
What's wrong with you? My lord showed you kindness, bought your junk, and this is how you repay him? Ungrateful little brat! Take him!
Let me go! I didn't steal anything! You can't just take me! What gives you the right? Let me go! Let me go! Let me go!
Zane!
Why'd you come out? I took the hairpin, Zoe! Stay out of it!
My lord, please! Please let him go! I found it! Not him!
Still lying. If your parents didn't raise you right, then I will. This dagger. The dagger. The one I gave Jane. How could he have it?
How dare you!
Keep it on you if anything happens.
I wouldn't risk myself for you, for our child.
The kid. No, wait.
Stop! My lord! Where did you get this dagger?
Mom! I found a dagger under the hay!
That is the most precious thing I own. You're too young. Don't carry something like that. It's dangerous.
One more time, who gave you that dagger? Lord, you got it wrong! That dagger, mine! This is from my shop! That little beggar must have stolen it!
Your shops.
That's right. Over 100 years, I've been running this pawn hop. Royal artifacts, magic gear, I've seen it all. This dagger, nothing special.
That's not true! It's my mother's!
See that gem? Abyss blood diamond. Your mother has that kind of treasure? Ha! You're a born liar, kid.
Someone important gave it to her. I'm not lying.
My lord, if you ask me, they're nothing but thieves. Caught twice in one day and still playing innocent.
Could someone have found it at the bottom of the abyss and sold it here?
It's mine!
I'm taking the dagger.
Much obliged, my lord. It's yours!
That's mine! Give it back!
Stubborn. Stealing at your age? Fine. Whip him. Make sure he remembers.
Come here, rat!
Zane!
Let me go!
Mom! My lord, please! Don't hurt him! He only did this to save our mother!
Oh, now the sick mother story? Nice try.
I'm not lying! The witch doctor said Mom's poisoned with Abyss Myostra. It takes 5 high-grade crystals to cure her.
Zoe! Stop begging him! Stay with Mom!
My lord, please. Have mercy. We really didn't steal your hairpin.
Why does she?
Please.
Why does she remind me of Jane?
My lord, the kid hasn't said a single truth.
Let them go.
Thank you. Thank you. My lord, thank you. Zane, let's just give the hairpin back.
Fine, take it. Now give me the dagger. That's my mother's.
Your mother's? Then let's go see her. She can tell me herself where it came from.
I anymore!
I knew it. It isn't theirs.
Zank, we should take it back. It is Mom's dagger.
If she finds out I took it, she'll be disappointed. I'll earn the crystals and have a snow make a new one.
Jane, if you were still alive, our children would be about this age. Follow them. See where they go. Yes, my lord.
Mom!
Zane? Zoe? You're back already. Have you sold any amulets?
Mom, sorry. We couldn't get enough crystals.
It's my fault.
Hey, blind woman! You got my rent or not?
Please, Kaba. Just a few more days. I've been too sick to move. I got nothing.
No problem. Beast law. No pay, we take the girl. I'll sell her on the black market as a slave.
No, please! Not her! I'll find a way, I swear! I'll pay you!
Disagree? Then get out. Pack your crap. And don't die in my house, you cursed blind.
Even if I die, I'm not letting you take her. Zane, Zoe, pack up. We're leaving.
Where are we going to go? I'll go with you. I will. Just please, get my mom treated, please.
Now that's more like...
No! Zoe, don't go with him! Hey, you're not taking my sister!
Mommy! Zane!
This shack, my lord bought it. You show up here again, I'll kill you. Get lost now.
A statue of it magic crystals!
Take these. Find your mother a doctor.
You already saved my children. We can't take more. We can't.
My lord told me to help you. If you don't take them, I can't report back to him.
Your lord?
The one who bought our amulet.
Why would he help us?
Just take them, no more questions. They're gifted to you from my lord. He's just a generous lord.
Then tell us his name, or we won't take it.
Please, just tell us.
Tell us quietly. We'll repay him one day. I swear!
Repay? My lord is the king of beasts.
Mom! Mom!
Take the crystals. Treat her first. I should head back now.
Thank you. Thank you. Zoe, stay here. Take care of Mom. I'll go get the witch doctor.
My lord, I'll go check.
Please save my mother!
You again? Didn't I tell you? Abyss Mayaba needs high-grade crystals. No crystals, your blind human mother dies. That's her fate.
I have them!
What, those scraps again?
Get lost! Don't dirty my clinic.
Just got out the door and some beggar kid's already in my face.
I'm busy. Get out.
I have crystals! High-grade ones! Look!
Come on, to the jewelry shop. I want that high-grade set before someone else gets it.
Damn it. If we go there, she'll find out I lost everything at the casino last night. Think.
What's wrong?
High-grade crystal? Well, now we're talking. I'll grab my kit and treat your mother right away.
Stop!
You? Well. No wonder my pouch went missing.
These crystals, you stole them?
No! A lord gave them to me!
A lord gave you high-grade crystals? You? A half-breed beggar? My husband bumps into you and his pouch is gone. You think that's a coincidence?
That pout's worth more than you'll see in a lifetime. Next time you lie, at least make it sound real.
Stolen crystals? You've got nerve. Get lost. Don't let me see you again!
They're mine! I didn't steal it! Then who gave it to you? Any name? Family? Title?
Yeah, in Blackthorn not many can throw around high-grade crystals. Describe it, I'll know.
I didn't do it!
Who gave it to you? You! Where did you get this?
Your Majesty, looks like the witch doctor's busy. He can't tend your wound now.
Let's go then. What? Run out of lies?
I don't know his name. He wore a black cloak, tall, covered in high-grade runes. He's a really powerful lord.
Black cloak? High-grade rumens? There's no one like that in this town. So you are lying.
I'm not. The Lord really gave them to me.
Why waste words on this little pest? Send him to the tribunal. Teach him a lesson.
Let me go! Get that the fang! Let me go! Don't go! Let go of me!
Why does that kid feel familiar?
Sorry to keep you waiting, my lord. I'll fetch the finest medicine right away.
It's nothing. Just a scratch. Patch it up.
Mom, something's wrong!
Zoe? What happened?
They said Zane stole crystals, but he didn't. The guards just took him to the tribunal. Mom, what do we do?
What? The Blackthorn magistrate. He forces confessions with torture. If Zane's in his hands. Zoe, quick, help me up. And get me a veil. I can't let anyone see me like this.
Your Majesty, the magistrate heard you coming. He's prepared the lodge for you.
Zoe! Zoe! I'm sorry, I can't see, and I was in a hurry. I didn't mean to. Please forgive me.
That voice.
Sorry, Mom. I went to pick up the handkerchief.
It's fine. Hurry. We have to find your brother.
Isn't that the kids from the market? They're heading toward the tribunal.
Then we go there. Now. State the charge.
Magistrate, this half-breed beggar stole my high-grade crystals, and he won't admit it. You need to teach him a lesson.
Magistrate, the king of beasts coming today. Let's seal the case fast. Stealing on my turf. Bold. Punish him with thorned whip.
Don't be scared. I'm here.
So this little thief's mother is a blind, powerless human.
Look at them. A blind mother with two beggar kids. Where would they get high-grade crystals? He must have stolen them.
My son's a good boy. He would never done such a thing. Those crystals were given to us by a lord. He sent someone to help us. Please, magistrate, look into it.
You said someone gave the crystals to you. Prove it then.
Exactly. Bring that lord here, and maybe I'll believe you.
I don't know who he is.
You don't even know who he is, and you expect us to trust in you?
No proof, no case. Take him. Torture him until he talks.
No! No! Please, no!
Wait!
It's him! The Lord!
You're... well, understood.
My lord, please tell him you sent those crystals.
Crystals. They're accused of stealing high-grade crystals. But the girl says you gave them. Did you?
I'm blind, but I heard it clearly. You gave us those crystals. You meant well, but now my son's being accused. Please, my lord, tell the truth. Clear his name.
What am I even expecting? Jane's dead. This is just a liar who sounds like her. I never gave anyone magic crystals. Why would you lie?
Even the Lord himself denies it. What now?
You're lying! Your man gave us those crystals! Why won't you just admit it?
How dare you? Do you even know who you're talking to?
I didn't do it, so what do you want me to say?
We've done nothing to you, my lord. Why are you framing us?
Ridiculous. I told the truth, and now I'm the villain? With a mother like you, no wonder your son turned out like this.
The evidence is clear. What's there to investigate?
You're still a child. If you confess, I can go easy on you.
I didn't steal anything! I won't confess! Magistrate, my son is innocent!
You know better than anyone else. Guards, whip him!
Mom! Let go of me! Don't touch my mom! Mom!
When a son does wrong, it's the mother's failure. Confess for him now, and spare yourself the pain.
Zane didn't steal anything. We've been framed. If I admit to this, how will he ever live with it?
Harder. My lord! My lord! Stop!
Your Majesty, nearby lords are waiting at the town gate to see you.
Your Majesty, a moment please. This human refuses to confess. Without that, I don't know what to do with her. She has no proof of her innocence. Then treat it as theft. Need me to spell it out? Under beast law, a thief who refuses to confess gets the ultimate penalty, water prison. Then put her in the water prison.
Mom! Mom! Mom!
Case closed. Guilty of theft. Sentence: water prison.
We didn't steal anything! You can't bully my mother! My lord, please save my mother. I'm begging you.
Zoe, don't beg anyone for me.
My lord, please have mercy. Help us. Help us. Please help us. Please. My lord. My lord. My lord.
Let's go.
My lord, please don't leave.
See, if you just admitted it, maybe I'd have asked him to go easy.
Magistrate, who knows what else they've stolen? Let them off, and they'll just keep causing trouble.
Hoist her up. Carry out the sentence.
All hail the king! Might of the wilds!
Your Majesty, Finn, I told you to follow those two kids. You didn't give them any magic crystals, did you?
I saw them being bullied by a giant, so I gave them a pouch of high-grade crystals on my own.
What? So they're innocent?
Nothing can happen to her.
Carry out.
Mom! We didn't steal the crystals! Let Mom go!
You had your chance. Being stubborn won't save you. Confess?
I won't!
Still denying? Then again.
The crystals were a gift from the Lord! We didn't lie! Let my mom go, please?
The Lord already denied it. You think he'd lie?
Please! Let her go! Let Mom go! You let Mom!
Let her go. Jane?
This place is so beautiful. Twin black dragons. See? Twain together. Just like us. Never apart.
Download and watch more on NetShort.